My favorite CD. You're watching the surgery, are you? Oh boy. Better do it right then. Okay. Do they have to, yeah, these are cut ones, yeah.
Yep. It won't go deep enough.
Oh. Oh. Oh yes.
That's what she said.
Hey, hey.
Come to see the fiddles.
Mm.
Yes, you've heard a fiddler on the roof.
Oh, that's real fun, yeah. I think I'll leave you at it. Any time for tea break, isn't it?
Did you say tea?
Yet.
Do you know what? It might be.
While mounting the arms, we found that the battery pan base had rusted through, so we took it upon ourselves to cut a fresh piece of steel and place that in instead.
Just covering up my problems.
Hammer makes everything fit.
One plate at a time. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. You better believe it. Yeah. Bit of pain, no one will ever know. Well, I mean, we're kind of telling everyone right now.
Paint fixes everything.
Yeah. Yeah. Paint companies are really on top. And with this, we have our new kill switch installed. I don't want to talk about it. so it's the next day. This mess of pipes is just our first setup, so I'm gonna try to clean up afterwards, but we just wanna make sure everything is working right, hooked up correctly, so we're just gonna fire it up there now before I go to the pain of stretching these through the cab, which is another pain in the backside. So we have our feed and return going through here. We'll be tidying all this up in a minute, so please don't be screaming just yet. So, yep, we're gonna get these all tidied up. We're gonna start it up. What am I saying? We're gonna start it up. We're gonna see, make sure everything works, and then we'll tidy everything. So let's do that now.
Slight leak still.
Well, being the geniuses we are, we had to change one of these hoses because it had broken during transport or something. Well, actually, both of these broke. But anyway, when we hooked it up, we, you know, you have a 50-50 chance of doing it right, and we always do it wrong, even if it's like 99 to 1. So, commercial break. Why don't you show these tossers what we've been doing?
Right, so originally there was a second lever on sort of a right angle bracket to this for the front. So if you had a claw or anything, you could open that. But for the guy we're doing this
He's
for,
talking about third function, but that's fine. Yeah, that's fine.
that thing.
Yeah, that thing.
I knew what that was.
Yeah, that thing. Yes, that thing. Yes, but anyway, we took it off.
So yeah, we took it off because the guy we're doing this for doesn't need it, or he won't have a use for it. So
We're putting it on afterwards.
we removed that, and after some thinking and talking it over, we decided we put the box in like this.
Just stabbed it in there like that. There's two bolts down there at the bottom.
Holes in the hole, just here. Bolted them on. Thanks to Millie here.
Holes in the hole.
Holes in the wall.
Okay.
Glory hole. What?
Okay. Yeah.
So yeah, we fixed that on. She's fairly locked in there.
Which is nice because there's nothing worse than a loose.
Yes.
I've had a loose joystick. Okay, I've had a loose. Yeah,
we
won't.
mount for one.
I won't. We won't talk about pulling back now, right? We've done.
So the only concern we had was to make sure that we had full range in the gearbox. So
we do. She has a TW gearbox, so it's not.
So this is her in reverse, and that's the only one that'll get
Right,
anywhere
right.
close to her. So
For this tractor, it's very weird. I had a problem with this when he first bought it. So you go first, second, third, fourth. So it's a very, very weird gearbox. And then there's your reverse there for you. So it's a very weird gearbox, but it does the job. If he doesn't like it, he can bring it back and we'll change this joystick again. Now we have to go connect up our cables again and check where it is. in the way.
With the project now finished, we had, albeit with a few hiccups, successfully mounted the arms on the tractor. If you wish to see more content like this, consider subscribing to the channel and giving us a follow on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.